Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by securing your data. Create a backup of the N8n DB and workflow folder so you can revert if needed. Once done, inspect your Docker Compose. IML and note the current image tag. This helps avoid accidental major upgrades. Then stop the N8n container gracefully so volumes remain mounted. Make sure your environment variables are correct and accessible to Docker, because those values control DB and external services during the upgrade process. You now fetch the new image by pulling the specified N8n tag, which reduces downtime because the layers are ready locally. Next, edit Docker Compose. IML to the new tag and confirm environment variables, database host, credentials, and any persistent volume mappings, so migrations target the right store. Then recreate the service with Docker Compose upd force recreate, or equivalent. This starts the updated container while keeping volumes. Make sure to watch startup logs for migration messages to verify the update. You finish by validating the running instance. Tail the container logs and look for successful migration and serve-ready lines. Then open the N8n UI and run a few representative workflows to ensure credentials and nodes behave as before. If you encounter issues, restart the container to clear transient states, and if necessary, roll back by restoring your backup and redeploying the previous image tag. Key tip: keep the stopped previous image tag available so you can quickly revert if.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.